Everyone, in this video we will learn about simple formula in MS Excel. First of all, we will learn how to enter data in Excel. To enter data in Excel, just select a cell and begin typing. You will see the text appear both in the cell and in the formula bar. In MS Excel, whenever you will type a text, it will appear in your particular cell in which you are typing, and at the top there is a formula bar. The text which you will type, it will show there also. Performing calculation. How to perform a calculation in Excel? Excel is a powerful feature to perform calculation on the data. The data is the data which we enter in Excel. On that particular data we can perform the calculation. You can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers either using formulas or using function. There are predefined functions by which you can perform the calculation, or you can write the formula by your own. Whatever calculation you want, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, you can write the formula and that particular calculation will be performed on your data. Create a simple formula in Excel. You can create a simple formula to add, subtract, multiply or divide values in your worksheet. Simple formula always start with an equal sign followed by constants that are numeric values and calculation operators such as plus, minus, asterisk or forward slash sign. Forward slash sign is used for division. In simple formula, you can write equal sign. After that, you have to write the numeric values. Numeric values are 1, 2, 3, 4. All these values in which we can perform the operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For addition we can write the plus sign, for multiplication asterisk, for minus sign, for division forward slash. This is the simple formula which we can write, but we have to use the equal sign first. We have to write the equal sign, then we have to write the numeric values and we can write the operators in between which we want to perform the calculation. Use AutoSum. You can use AutoSum to quickly sum a column or row numbers. Select a cell next to the numbers you want to sum. Click AutoSum on the Home tab. Press Enter. AutoSum is the feature by which you can perform the calculation, that is addition. Addition you can do automatically by using AutoSum. First we have to select the column on which, or it can be performed on a row also. You have to select the row or a column on which you have to perform the AutoSum. After that you can click on the AutoSum button and we have to press Enter. The sum will calculated automatically by the function AutoSum. Now we will learn all this by practical. Enter data on Excel. First of all we have to open the Excel. We have to click on Start button, then MS Excel. MS Excel 2007 will appear this way in table form. There are some rows and there are columns. To enter data in MS Excel's table, we have to select the column in which we have to write the thing. Suppose we have to enter the data in this column, that is A1. We have to select that particular column and we have to write the data, whatever we have to enter. After that we have to press Enter. Automatically the data will be entered into the table. See, I am writing another word CD. It's been entered in the Excel sheet. To perform the calculation, we have a simple formula. In simple formula, we have to use the numeric values. Like I will give you the example. First of all, in simple formula, we have to write equal to. We have to write equal to, then the numeric values like 20. Then we have to enter a operator like plus operator. Again I am writing 20. 20 plus 20 equal to, and the equal sign we have to write in front. See, 40. It automatically calculate the operation which is been performed by using equal sign. Or there is another way to enter 40. I am entering 40 here also. See how equal sign works. Press equal sign, then in bracket we can give the address of the particular cell. This cell is B2. B2. Then I can write plus sign. After that, this cell is C2 and close the bracket. 80. 40 plus 40, 80. Automatically done the addition. So this is how we use equal sign, and this is called a simple formula. Thank you.